Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to fund your Apple account on your iPhone. To fund your Apple account, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, if you check the top, you are going to see where it says your Apple account, where it shows your profile picture and your name. So I want you to tap on that name. So once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. On this page, I want you to tap on payment and shipping. So let's tap on payment and shipping. So once it opens up here, it will bring you to this page. On this page, if you look closely, you are going to see where it says add funds to Apple account. So I want you to tap on that add funds to Apple account. So once you tap on that add funds to Apple account, it will load up a new page for you. On this page, it will ask you to select the amount you want to add. You can see I'm in Nigeria, so it will show me any amount here in Naira. You can add any amount you want. If the amount it is showing here is not what you want to add, you just want to tap on order and put in the amount you want to add. Let's say we want to add 5,000 Naira to this Apple account. You just tap on 5,000 Naira and it will be deducted from my card that okay, to ask me to put in my password. So once I put in my password now, it will deduct the money from my card that I have already added to my Apple account. So guys, this is how to actually add funds to your Apple account to purchase things on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.